What's up guys, Baby50 here, back with another cooking, baking, and more episode for you. Tonight we're going to be doing vanilla ice cream and Mazapan ice cream. Alright, so we have our wet ingredients. It's just going to be your choice of milk, preferably as close as whole milk as you can. Heavy whipping cream. We're going to have normal cane sugar, salt, vanilla. You could choose whatever you want. Vanilla extract, vanilla bean, Madagascar, whatever you want. And then we got Mazapan, okay? The equipment you're gonna need is an ice cream maker, large bowl, saucepan, spoon, measuring cup. That's a 1/3 measuring cup. All right, so we're gonna show you how to do this. It is movie night here back at the CBM house. We have no idea what movie we're watching. Comment down below if you actually think we watch the movies after doing this or not, and comment what movie we should watch next time. So come along with me for a journey of ice cream, and let's get it going, all right? All right, so we're gonna be starting off with normal white cane sugar. It's gonna be 2/3 cup. This is the recipe that I use. We're doing a simple cream base. We're not doing a custard or any of that fancy weird stuff because, you know, it's just ice cream. So 2/3 right there, good to go. Boom. Match it with the milk, 2/3, okay, 2/3. Everything's pretty simple. I made it as easy as possible. Sure, I looked up a bunch of videos. If you remember me talking about making ice cream all the time and seeing all the pictures in the chat. If you wanted to see the chat, let me know, because we just like to make messes, that kind of thing. But yeah, so that's it. And we're gonna come over to the stove and we're gonna put it on a low to medium heat for a little bit until it dissolves and gets all good. So come on over. All right, so this is on a low to medium heat. Obviously, the crazy stove doesn't want to light all the time. All you're gonna do is take that spoon, you're gonna stir it. Just keep stirring it, okay? There's obviously sugar, dry. There's milk, wet. You want to combine them. You could do this too, right? You can see the sugar in there. That's gross and icky and ew, disgusting. All right, so you're just gonna come over here and you're gonna stir this until it's translucent, basically like how it is. If the camera boy wants to get a shot. Look at that. That doesn't look like milk anymore. That looks like sugar milk, okay? So that's basically done. Make sure to turn off your stove. Come over here. We're gonna pour this in the bowl, okay? And be careful, the shit's really sticky. Right, because it's a bunch of sugar and milk, because, it's really sticky. Put that over there, movie magic, okay? Next thing we're gonna be doing, adding cream, right? And vanilla and a little bit of salt, okay? So we're gonna take a little salt, not a lot, we're not gonna measure anything. A little salt, okay? That's just to give you a little contrast from the sweetness. Vanilla, again, we're not measuring anything. It's like 3 teaspoons or so. I like to go like this. That looks good, I guess. I don't know. Hey, it's vanilla ice cream. It's not a big deal. All right, so we have vanilla extract, we have sugar, we have salt, we have milk. We heated it up. We made it translucent. We put it in a bowl. Now we got heavy whipping cream. Okay. My recipe says 2 cups. I think that's wrong. So we're just gonna try it out. Okay. This is 1/3. Okay. It doesn't have to be crazy precise because it's just ice cream. It's not science, dude. All right. That's 1/3. 2/3. Let's do 3. Let's just do 3. Let's just do 1 cup. That adds up. 1 cup. Cool. Boom. All right. Put that aside. Where's that spoon? Cool. Mix it up. Combine it. Get it all well combobulated. Trying to coin that as a phrase. Right. Again, super sticky. That's what it should look like. Right. Look at that. It's kind of like dark brown, or not dark brown, really light brown. Things like that. Cool. And then next up, we're gonna put it in this machine and we're gonna turn it on. All right. So come with me. All right, so my ice cream machine uses an external tub that you freeze and then you put it in there and it stirs it and it gets cool. Whatever you use, you could technically put this in like a cup, shake it, whatever you want to use. I have not the bougiest, but a pretty decently nice one, okay? So if you buy it, cool. If you don't have it, cool. This is frozen, rock solid, goes in there, take the bowl, put it in there, okay? Whatever's in here, put it in there. I know. Should we have mixed it together in this thing? No, because it freezes and it gets gross and weird. Little thing, spatula, I don't know what you would want to call that. Goes in there, okay? You put the lid on. And my thing takes around 20 to 30 minutes, depends on what you want to do. And that's it. And then we just sit here and we listen to this beautiful machine make delicious ice cream. So, we're not super professional yet. Let's just have a conversation, right? We should be doing this beforehand and then it'll just be ready. But we're gonna sit here for 20, 30 minutes. So when you're watching this at home, just know everyone in this room is just gonna sit here and watch this for 20, 30 minutes. So, I mean, hey, maybe the production, whoever's producing this, maybe we'll just start doing things beforehand. But you know, I'm not in full control. I'm just the director. I can't produce things, you know? So I'm just sitting here killing time because we need to hit 10 minutes. Shoutouts to y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. But let's come back when this is a little bit done, and then we'll go to the next step, all right? There's Mazapan. Hopefully it's full. Hopefully these heathens didn't eat anything out of that box. We'll see right now, okay?
What's up, y'all? It's Sam Burr. While we're waiting for this ice cream machine to keep going, 20-30 minutes, this is the ad break. Our first sponsor is NestleDecal.co. That's at NestleDecal.co on Instagram. If you guys want any custom decals, Instagram decals. Also, we just dropped Demon Time, our shirts today. Go check it out. Second, we have at Steezy.nd. If you guys want photography for your guys' cars, he's got great packages for you guys, great prices, great photos. Third, we got at Lugs_Customs. If you guys want starlights installed or any interior design whatsoever, hit him up on Instagram at Lugs_Customs. All waiting for this. Let's get on with it.
All right, so we waited a cool 20 to 30 minutes. As you can tell, this is a little louder, that's thicker, right? So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take these Mazapans, right? You're gonna be like, oh, they're breaking your hand. I don't know how many, 3, I don't know. Luckily enough, no one ate anything before shooting. There's a hole, as you guys probably didn't see. You can just throw things in there. So we're just gonna take these and throw them in there, okay? Again, you can put whatever you want in this, right? Not a big deal. Take it, throw it in, 1. You can do whatever you like. This is what we do because, I don't know, Mazapan's good, I guess. I don't know. People like it, don't like it. Cool, cool. And it's gonna naturally break up, add into that ice cream base and all that fun stuff. And we should be done, almost. Pretty much done. Pretty much done. Let's see. Whoa, get it all in there. Cool. If you want to get a shot from the top down, camera boy, get up in there. Get up in there. Well, okay. Well, that's a weird angle.
No, it didn't like that.
So at home. But hey, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna give that a cool, like, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And then we're gonna put it in a bowl and taste it or something. I don't know. I've made this a lot, so I already know what it tastes like. But hey, come back. Stay tuned. Love it. All right, so we gave it a cool 5 minutes or so. Turn it off. Okay, chill. All right, it's quiet. Finally, we can hear yourself. All right, we're gonna take this out. Let's see, it has ice cream on it. Cool. As well, it's gonna be pretty liquidy and things and soft. And what you want to do is technically put it in the freezer for it to set, where you're gonna get like, I don't know, consistency closer to normal store-bought ice cream. Depends what you like. You can eat it right now though, if you want to. Let's just slap it, keep slapping it, get all that good ice cream off of it. Behind the scenes is wild right now. I don't know what they're doing, but hey, you know, YOLO. Get it all over the place, making sure everything's sticky and gross. Okay. Cool thing that I can do, pull this out, and we got ice cream in there, right? It's just still frozen, so it's gonna solidify and things. I'm just gonna pour it into a bowl or whatever, right? It's really soft. Don't worry, it'll solidify and get hard and whatever. Cool. It's not gonna look pretty because it's just made, right? I don't know. Weird episode because it's ice cream and there's not much involved with ice cream. But yeah, there you go, ice cream. Unless you want me to pull all of it out, there's gonna be chunks and shit of Mazapan. Who wants to try it? Anyone want to try it? You want to try it? All right, we're gonna have to coil in because Marine Man is at work. So everyone give him a round of applause.
Yeah! Yeah!
All right, so try it.
That's my boy!
It's a little runny because we're not gonna let it set because I'm not waiting that much because it's movie night here at CBM House. What do you think? What do you like it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
If I wasn't allergic to fucking peanut butter.
Oh! Still learn that. Hey, if you're allergic to peanuts, you know, don't make this with Mazapan. It's good. He likes it, and he's Mexican. So if you're Mexican, you might like it. But yeah, that's basically gonna be it for today's episode. We're gonna go watch a movie? I don't know.
Pacific Rim.
Pacific Rim. All right, cool. I guess we're watching Pacific Rim for some fucking reason. However, that's my ice cream recipe. Relatively easy. Maybe we'll make another one involving some more like crazy shit because we just, again, production, you know, it's kind of hard doing this. But still, ice cream, cool. We're gonna put that in the freezer. We're gonna watch Pacific Rim, I guess.
I like kaiju.
It seems. I don't know what's going on there. But I'm Wavy 50. This is Ice Cream. This is Cooking, Baking, and More. If you haven't already, comment down below, like this video, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and we'll see you. I think this goes up on Friday. I don't know what day it is. Friday, yeah. As well, here's my Instagram. So editor, magically make it happen with my hand. Right? If you did it, cool. Comment down below. If you didn't, fuck them, you know. But yeah, that's Ice Cream. We'll see you next time.